black crappie. It's awesome. That's better. Is this a crappie? This is crappie, it's big. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of In-Depth Angling. I'm out here today in the boat. I got my brother Spencer riding along with me. He's at Crankzone Fishing if you guys want to check out his channel. We're gonna go out and try to catch some crappie and bass here today, mainly targeting crappie at first anyway, and we're putting in up here by Kaufman today on Lake of the Ozarks. So we're gonna go see what we can catch. Should be an interesting day, as I don't get out this way as often as I do other parts of the lake. So hopefully we go out and both get to learn something new today. We'll catch you out there. There's a sunken lip in the stream over there. God, it's deep. It's still dropping. There it is. Yeah. About 3 hours. Yeah, that feels good though. Lord, dude. That's the first one of the day right there. He's a small guy. I'll get him back. That's what I did to catch him though. Oh yeah. That's better. Is this a crappie? This is crappie, it's big. It's a big crappie. Ooh, not as big as I thought. Your drag's kind of low, but that's nice. That's not a bad one. Heck yeah. Yeah, let's open up the live well. I'm gonna keep a couple for dinner, but finally getting on to something here.
Draw them in.
Yep. It's a aerator. He was almost on the bottom. That was like 2 or 3 reels up.
There's way down there.
Yes. Let's try this. Let that fall forever, and then work it along the edge of the dock like that. You know, let pendulum swing back up towards me.
I bet you hook a brush pile.
I might. I don't know. I don't know where his brush is.
A few moments later.
Got him. He's way down there. Well, that worked. Got him right up through the top of the mouth there. It's a little small for keeping, but we'll get him back in the water. Here's what I'm going to do, and I think I'll get snagged doing it, but I'm going to try it anyway. Here we go. I'll let that fall forever. There we go. That seems like a better fish. It's way down. Wow, he's running good. Look at that. Is that a crappie? Yeah. Nice. Nice white crappie right there. Hope the camera angle wouldn't angle up too much. I just saw that. Oh, that'll keep right there. It's 2 keepers for me on the day. Can I get your foot to move real quick, Spencer, so I can throw this guy in there? Thank you. Sweet. There we go. He doesn't feel that big. Oh, he might keep, yeah. Swimming towards me. Another keeper, black crappie this time. He wasn't as far down either. Probably about 12 foot. Close to it. It's a nice crappie. Starting to get it going now. That is not very big. See you, buddy. Your fish? Good. Might be big enough, yeah.
Depends on how small you want to keep. He's 9 inch. I don't know if he's.
Well, I got that board right there. You could check him out on.
Okay.
Yep.
That's a 9 or a 5 or so.
Okay. You can toss him back then. A little midday update for you guys. Catching a few crappie really deep off of these docks that have got some brush around them. I think we've been catching them anywhere between 30 to 15 feet down, and some of them have come while it's on the fall, but most of them have come really close to the bottom and reeling it up, or letting our jig go all the way to the bottom and slowly dragging it up through the water. So we're gonna keep trying that for a little longer and see how many more we can catch, but as of right now we got 4 in the box, so hopefully we can take a few more home for dinner. Oh, he was on there the whole time. Wow. I hit that one on the fall. I was like, why is my line going underneath the dock? That's not how it's supposed to fall. And he was on there. It's another keeper, probably around 11 to 12 inches. That's awesome.
Awesome.
Oh, sauce them.
Yeah, you're gonna sauce them up.
Sauce them up. No, fry them up, sauce them up. After that,
Man.
get the pan out. Yeah. All right, moved locations to the back of a larger creek cove. I'm gonna start fishing around some of these docks for some crappie and some bass. Didn't end up catching anything else over there at that deep water spot. Had a few hits, but fishing really cooled off, so we decided to pick it up and move. See if we get anything here. I'll tune you in on the next fish. Streamline.
I'll be coming back to you.
Yeah.
I thought I had one swerve it.
Yeah, you did. You did catch one. Tiny little bass.
About the size of the one I saw swerve.
Yeah.
Might be
That's
the same
good
one.
though.
He'll be fine. He's just got one of his gills poked. He'd be okay.
Hey, I got one. You've been on there for a minute.
That's good fucking.
Yes, it is. Yeah. There we go. Getting back into something here. Black crappie. It's awesome. Add him to the collection here. It'll be number 5 for the day. It's probably another 12-incher. Hey everybody, that's going to wrap up this session here today. We got some storms rolling in, and the Kansas City Chiefs are playing their playoff round, so we're going to go catch that game. If you guys enjoyed this, leave me a thumbs up down below. I'll be continuing to come out and fish on the gravelly arm of the lake, and we'll be doing some more crappie fishing this winter as well. We're going to go and get these fish filleted up here. I got 5 keepers today, got some short fish, caught 1 small bass that Spencer had on his jerk bait, but outside of that, it was kind of a hit and miss day. So if you guys enjoyed this, consider subscribing, but if not, I just appreciate the view. No pressure. Explore deeper. There's more out there, and we'll catch you on the next one.